Stop selling websites. I know. If you're a web designer or a freelancer, that sentence probably feels like you're shooting yourself in the foot. But hear me out, because this one shift in how I approach my business not only helped me land better clients, but it also let me charge more, work less, and deliver work I was proud of. You see, the biggest problem with most web designers is that they sell the tool, not the outcome. They'll talk about pages, sections, plugins, mobile responsiveness, but they don't talk about what the website will actually do for the client's business. And when you sell like that, you become just another option in a long list of cheap website people. It becomes a race to the bottom. It's frustrating, it's exhausting. So let's flip that around. Let me walk you through exactly how to stop selling websites and what you should do instead. So let's start with how most freelancers pitch their services. Here's what it usually sounds like. I can build you a mobile responsive website with up to 5 pages. It'll include a homepage, an about page, a contact form, and a blog. We'll probably use Elementor and it is super easy to update. Didn't that sound very forgettable? Why? Because none of that answers the real question the client is asking, like how will this website help my business grow, scale, survive? Think about it. If a cafe owner hires you, they don't want a website because they're excited about HTML and CS. They want to get more bookings, more customers, more visibility. They want to be found. If a fitness coach needs a website, they want leads, booked discovery calls, recurring clients, tons of appointments. So let me tell you what clients actually care about. It's not design tools, color palettes, or CMS flexibility. It's not about how fast your hosting is or what framework you prefer. Okay, some of that does matter, but hear me out. Clients actually care about getting more sales, looking credible online, building trust, attracting new clients, automating parts of their business. So let's say you tell a personal trainer, I'll build you a custom 5 page website with Elementor. That sounds okay, but does it really hit the mark? Now imagine saying this instead. We'll build you an online presence that makes people trust you before they ever meet you, and will set up to drive bookings while you're training clients. All of a sudden, the client is now listening. They're probably nodding their head. They're imagining the result. You're selling them the outcome, the benefits. And once they see you as someone who solves real problems and not just a technical vendor, they're going to trust you. And most importantly, they're willing to pay for that transformation. They're going to invest in you. And what I'm telling you, I did learn the hard way. Years ago, I had a potential client, a local business coach, and they asked me, can you build me a new website? I jumped into action. I listed down all the features, talked about the page counts, the SEO, the plugins, all of this stuff. And do you know what they said back to me? Okay, great, but how will this help me to get more clients? That totally stopped me cold. I hadn't thought about that. I was so focused on what I could build that I forgot why she had come to me in the first place. No surprise, I did not get that project. Fast forward 6 months, another personal coach reached out to me, similar background, but this time I took a completely different approach. This is what I asked them. What's your biggest challenge with your current website? What do you want your clients to do when they land on the homepage? What would make this project a massive win for you? And this personal trainer opened up. She told me what embarrassed her about her current website. She said it didn't reflect value. She said that she was losing leads because people didn't follow through. They come to it and then they leave. They bounce. They're gone. They go elsewhere. So I said back to her, let's build a homepage that gives your visitors confidence, explains your process clearly, and drives them to book a call without you needing to chase them up. She was sold. She paid my full rate upfront. The project was pretty smooth, and within 2 weeks of launch, She was getting far more bookings than she ever imagined. And that was the moment I knew that I need to stop selling websites. And that's the advice I'm giving to you. You need to start selling the outcomes. When you stop selling websites, you start to become a strategic partner. So from this moment, I want you to stop saying, I build websites. Stop saying that. Instead, I want you to say this. I help businesses turn browsers into buyers. I create online experiences that build trust and drive action. I build systems that work for you while you sleep. These aren't gimmicks, they're a reflection of what the client wants. And it changes the way that people will respond to you. Suddenly, you're no longer competing for the $50 Fiverr gigs. You're now offering value, direction, strategy. So instead of saying you get a 5-page WordPress website, say this instead. We'll build a conversion focused homepage, an about page that builds trust, service pages that answer client objections, and a booking page that drives action. Do you see the difference? The first one was a list. The second one is a strategy. Instead of talking about a basic contact form, say, I'm going to give you a lead generation form with automated follow ups. Instead of SEO plugin has been installed, say SEO ready structure with a plan to help you rank for the right search terms. Every deliverable should be tied to a benefit, not just what you're giving, but what it does. And to get to these outcomes, you need to ask better questions in your discovery calls. What do you want your website to help you achieve? What's not working with your current website? If this project is a success, what does this change for your business? Where are people currently falling off in the process? These questions do two things. They position you as someone who thinks long term. They give the client a chance to reflect and get excited about results. You're not just building a website, you're diagnosing problems and offering solutions. And that's what makes clients trust you and probably want to pay you a little bit more too. Remember, you're not a one-time service. You will become their go-to person for digital strategy. You get referrals, retainers, maintenance plans, because they know that you care about results. You're not just building them a website like a factory line. I've had clients who've been coming back to me over the last 5 and 6 years. You helped me build this. Can you help me build another website? We've got one very big client where we're now working on the 5th website for them. Now, you might still be wondering, how do I say this to potential clients without sounding like I'm upselling? Pretty simple. Keep it honest and client focused. Say something like, I'm not here to build a website and walk away. I want to make sure your website works for your business, that it brings in leads, builds credibility, and gives your audience confidence in you. I still want to be talking to you in 20 years' time. And don't be afraid to ask them, would it be okay if we spend a little time mapping out what success actually looks like before we jump in? They will love that. So here's what I want you to do next. Stop listing features. Stop listing just the benefits. Review your website or portfolio. Are you selling a service or a result? Update your pitch. Focus on the business transformation, not just the tools. Change your language. So swap build websites with help businesses grow online. Now, these changes won't just help you charge more, but it will help you feel better about what you do as well, because you're not just building stuff, you're helping people succeed. You're making a difference. So if you're tired of being seen as just the web designer or constantly having to justify your prices, how about you stop selling websites? Start selling outcomes. Sell clarity, sell growth, sell peace of mind. I hope that's going to flip a switch in your mind. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Go and check out our website if you want to join in any of our courses or guides to help you, your clients, and your business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. Please leave a comment. I'd love to know what you're thinking. I'll see you soon.